So in this video, I'm going to show you an AI system that we've built. It's a system that generates personalized audits for companies, and it does this automatically and within seconds. So if you want to, you can even go ahead and try it yourself. I will leave the link in the description so you can go ahead, click the link, answer the survey, answer some questions, and then you will receive a personalized audit for free in your inbox within seconds. If you're new here, I'm Johnny from ScaleZ. We build and implement AI systems into companies to help them perform better on specific tasks, automate the entire process, be more profitable, and be a lot faster. Now in this video, as I said, I'm going to walk you through the system and show you how it looks on the back end. So let's dive into it right now. So this is what the system actually looks like. I built it on make.com, which if you don't know what it is, it's a no-code automation tool that you can actually build different softwares without needing to know how to code. You do it using APIs, webhooks, and web services, stuff like that. So this is how I built this system. Before I get into how it works, let me show you an actual example of how it generates audits live. So we need to first of all answer a survey to feed data into the AI. So let's answer the survey. So you can see the first question on the survey is, what company do you own? So let's say a marketing agency. How do you find clients? Let's say targeted ads. What are your goals for the next 6 months with your business? I'll say automate the entire operations and reach a monthly revenue of 60K a month. Next, please explain what are the obstacles you're facing at the moment. Let's say that the obstacles are booking sales calls with qualified prospects. Next, how many leads do you generate each month, roughly? Let's say 10 to 20. Is your salespeople intervention required in the follow-up process? Let's say yes. Do you have an automated process to qualify your leads? Let's say yes. How long does it usually take you to contact a lead after they opted in? Let's say around less than 24 hours. Briefly explain how you take a stranger and turn them into a client. So let's say that the sales process for my marketing agency is I run ads to generate leads, then close them as clients. Next, do you track data and leads using the CRM, Google Sheets? Let's say no. Please drop your website URL. That's it. Let's do, we must, you see that I'm including that you must include this HTTPS, because in the system, you'll see exactly why I need the HTTPS included in the website URL. So let's edit right here. Next, company name, ScaleZ. Where should we send the report? My email. Let's do my second email. Next, name, Johnny. Phone, doesn't really matter. Agree. Next, and now let's submit and let's see how the system actually is going to generate this audit. So we are waiting for data, submit the survey, and then you can see how it's all going to run. Data is in the system. Now the AI doing its thing. Then it's going to go to the second module of the AI. There we go. Now AI here is doing its thing. Now AI here is doing its thing. And it's going to do this for the following three. And then it's going to create a document from a template, send it as an email to my email. And then it's going to add me to a workflow on a different platform. On my CRM, it's going to update the data in my CRM. So it doesn't really matter, but it's a cool feature that you can add. Let's wait till it's finished. Now it's about to be finished, generating the Google Doc, and send me an email. There we go. So now we're going to open our email to see the doc. Let's go over to Gmail. And here you can see I received an audit 0 minutes ago, which is basically now. And here's the audit, view the audit. And there you go. I have a full audit for my company based on my data. So you can see it has company overview. ScaleZ is a marketing agency specializing in AI-driven business solutions, aims to automate operations to reach 60K in monthly revenue within 6 months. The agency excels in enhancing business efficiency through I'm not going to go over all of it because you get the point, but you can see that it's a full audit. Company obstacles is going to show me the obstacles that I'm facing, booking sales calls with qualified prospects, as I said on the survey. Now it's going to tell me why is it happening, strategies to overcome that, company goals. My goal, Scalesy goal, is to automate operations to reach monthly revenue of 60K, as I told on the survey. And you can see it's simply a full audit tailored to my specific use case, which can be for your specific use case. So you can go ahead and try yourself. Now, this is how it works. Let me show you how I built it. So let's go over to make.com and let's see what actually happened. So we have a webhook right here connected to this survey. So whenever this survey, this is the second page, this is the survey. Okay, so whenever this survey is triggered, it's gonna move all the data from the survey here to make.com. You can see that we received all the data right here. Company name, Scalesy, my website, company goals, how do you find new clients. Now, you can see here in the audit that it says Scalesy is a marketing agency specializing in AI-driven business solutions. Now, I didn't say that my company is focusing on AI-driven solutions on the survey. So why did the AI say it right here? Why did it generate it right here? Because I actually gave the AI my website. And if you go to my website right here, you can see that my website says that we build and implement tailored AI systems in business to make them more efficient, profitable, faster, and bigger. Now, I said that I'm a marketing agency, but I also provided the AI with my website, and the AI went through my website right here. It got my URL, and it scraped my website to find details about my company, right? So even if I didn't say something, AI still goes over to my website to find details. Okay, now if you use it for your own company, it's going to be more accurate because right now I said that I am a marketing agency, but actually I provided a website of an AI solution company. You can see that the AI still knows exactly what the company does, and it's really tailored and specific to each company. So after we got the webhook with the details and the website, we actually go to the website to scrape the website and get the entire HTML of the website. This is the HTML code for my website, okay? Now, if I provide it to the AI, it's not going to work because the prompt is too long. So what we're going to do is add a text parser module right here to turn this entire HTML that we got right here, take everything from here and convert it into text. Okay, so you can simply convert the HTML into text to make it easier for the AI to read and work with. Now, let me show you how it works. You have a webhook right here, HTTPS of my website. You can see that right here, the value is customer website. Where is it? Let's find it. There we go. Lead website. And the value is this. So I simply feed the HTTPS request, the lead website, which is a variable that we got from the webhook on a get method. And then I simply get the entire HTML of any website. Then, as I explained, we can't work with this HTML, so we need to convert it into text. So we add a text parser HTML to text module, feed the entire HTML, and then we're gonna receive on the output a text. So now we have a text of the entire website, but we still need to generate different audits for the lead. So we are adding an AI module to go ahead and summarize the entire website. So it will be easier to work with next. So you can see right here, you are tasked with writing the best possible business audit for a lead. This is the lead website converted from HTML to text, and then I feed him the text that we got right here. So after we did that, we're gonna ask the AI to provide a summary of the website. You are not generating the audit now, you will create the audit later, create a summary of the website with important points like content in the website, about section, lead capture forms, testimonials and case studies, etc. We're going to tell the AI you will create a summary for yourself to use it later to create a full audit after you will get more data on the lead. We remove this, we don't need that. Make it easy for you to understand and work with later. Output nothing but the summary, no intros like this is the summary or confirming the task, just output the summary and nothing more. So then we actually get a summary. This is the input, this is the message. Right here, context, you can see that it has the summary of the website on text, and we are asking the AI to provide us with a summary. So you can see that the result is this. Scalesy specializes in building and implementing tailored AI systems, enhancing business efficiency, profitability, and speed. Key offerings, AI voice agent, AI outbound chat systems. You can see that it knows everything about the company based on the website alone. Now, after we got the website summary, we're going to feed the questions to the AI module. So you can see right here in this prompt, we're giving the AI module our questions. We are feeding them the questions and the answers. How do you find clients? And then it's gonna use the input, the contact provided in the survey in here. So what we got from the webbook, we're gonna use it in the AI and feed him this data. And we're going over all the questions and provide them with the answers of this specific contact. Do you have a follow-up process? How do you turn strangers into clients? Everything that we've answered, the AI knows. And the contact details. And we also give the AI a summary of the contact website, which is the result that we got in the previous AI module. Okay? Now, based on this information, write a business overview. Restate the information of the company, of the contact based on the information that you have of the company. Now, I'm only asking the AI to provide me with a business overview, and that's it. Not the entire prompt. Write only a business overview, not an entire audit. So what we're going to do is we're going to split the audit into different parts. We're going to focus on business overview to generate an audit of the business overview. Then we're going to focus on generating an audit for the marketing strategy. Then we're going to focusing on generating an audit for the sales process. We're going to simply break it into different prompts and into a different module to make sure that we get the best possible output. So after we got the business overview, you can see right here, this is the output and we got an overview of the business. So we're going to save this overview as a variable. And this is the variable right here, business overview, and this is the result. So now we have a variable called business overview that we can use later in the audit. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So after we saved it as a variable, we're going to go to the next step, which is to generate an audit for the marketing process. I think it's the marketing process. Let's see. Let's go. It's basically the same prompt, but with just changing this part right here. Instead of going over a business overview, we're only generating an audit for the marketing side of the company. Okay? Still same data, but I'm only giving him different instructions to generate only for the marketing side of the company. And then it's going to do the same thing. You can see the result. It generates an audit for the marketing side of the company. Do the same, save it as a variable, marketing audit as the result from this module right here. And then we move on to the next step, which is generating audit for the sales process, which you can see right here. I think it's the sales process. Let's see. It should be in the prompt. Still same prompt, same data, only changing the tasks. Based on this information, write an audit about only the sales side of the company. You can see right here. Now that we finished with the marketing audit, now we're going over the sales audit. And you can see that it generates an audit only for the sales side of the thing. Business module and sales strategies. Kelsey employs AI enhanced systems to optimize sales processes. It simply goes over the entire sales process and generates an audit to show you how you can improve it and make it better. Then do the same, save it as a variable right here, sales audit, and we're gonna use the result from the AI module that we got on the sales audit. Do the same thing right here. This is for obstacles, I think, for the company obstacles. Let's see, only about overcoming the business obstacles. So now we're only generating an audit about overcoming the obstacles that the contact provided us with. And again, setting it as a variable, business obstacles as the module here. You can see that if I'm hovering over it, then you can see that it kind of glows because it actually says that it's this module, it's the data from this module. Now, the last thing is company goals. So we go over to the next OpenAI module and we are asking the AI to go over the goals of the company, which is this right here. Based on this information, write an audit about only the company goals. Focus on the business goals, strategies to achieve them, and faster ways to achieve them. And then the AI simply generates an audit only for this section of the audit. And again, save it as a variable. So now we have a variable of a business overview. We have a variable on the marketing audit. We have a variable on the sales audit, variable on the business obstacles, and variable on the business goals. Now what we're going to do is to create a document using all this data that we generated using AI. We're going to create a document from a template. So if we go over to Google Docs, let me show you the template. This is the template right here. And you can see that we have tags for each variable. The doc title, subtitle, company overview is this tag right here, company obstacles is this tag right here. So you simply have tags all over the doc. And you're simply going to feed the Google document module the data that you got from the AI in those tags. So let me show you how it works. Create a document from a template module, add it right here. And you can see that it looks like this. Title for the Google Doc will be audit for company name. which is Scalesy. So you can see right here it says Audit for Scalesy, and this is the headline right here, Audit for Scalesy. And this is the doc title. Then we have doc subtitle, which is this. This is a free business audit tailored specifically for a company name, which is Scalesy, generated all by AI. So let's go here and see. This is a free business audit tailored specifically for Scalesy, generated by AI. So you simply use tags and feed the data that you got from make.com into those tags in the Google Doc. And now that I saved all this data, I'm simply feeding the document, the data for this specific tag. So we have a tag company overview. We simply add a tag here, business overview. Company obstacles, we simply have a tag. We simply feed the data that we got on the business obstacles audit into this specific tag, company obstacles. Company goals, same thing, business goals. Marketing, same thing, marketing audit. Sales audit. So we simply have different tags, and we use the data that we got from the AI, feed the data into the tags, and insert it into the Google Doc. Then simply have the title, audit for customer, for company name. You can see that if I'm clicking right here, I have all the data that I need to feed it into the Google Doc. So you have business overview, goals, obstacles, marketing audit, and you can simply feed whatever you want to, whatever data you want to that you generated into this specific field. Now, this module is going to create a document. And after we created this document, you have this result right here, which is web view link. And this is the link to the new document that this module created. And you have this web view link value, and you can simply feed it into the email. So in this email module, what we're simply going to do is send this email to the contact who actually submitted the survey. And we're simply going to send an email address. You know the email address of the contact from the webbook and the survey that it provided us. So you can see it right here. So now we're simply going to send the email to the contact who submitted the survey and provided us with his email. You can see right here, if we click here, webhook, and we have the email right here. So you're simply going to feed this value to this field right here, the email. Subject, your free audit. You can also just change and do a free audit for, and then add the company name. Company name, then it's going to simply say free audit for Scalesy, or whatever company submitted the survey. Okay? Then we're going to simply write an email. I wrote this in HTML just to make the email look better, but you can simply have plain text and write whatever you want. But I just used HTML to make it look a little bit better and a little bit more professional. You can see right here, the content of the email is, hi, this is the headline, hi, customer first name, which is Jonathan, hey, Jonathan, and the full AI audit is ready for you, blah, blah, blah. And we are fitting the web view link that we got from this module into the email so the person who submitted the survey can access this document and see it for himself. So we simply send the link that we got right here. Where is it? Web view link. This is it right here. So I simply fit this value into the email right here. And this is basically how it works. Pretty simple. So if we need to summarize how it works, we get data, scrape to the website, turn HTML into text, tell AI to generate a summary of the contact website and find data on the website, then feed him the questions and the answers that the lead submitted, go over each one, generate an audit for each mechanism in the business, and then just feed this data into the Google document that we have. After we generated the Google document and the full audit, simply send it over via email to the contact. And that's about it. This HTTP request right here, it's simply me adding contact into workflows in different automations. So it doesn't really matter. Now, when you build this kind of systems, you need to test all the time, test everything to get the best possible results. Test prompts, test databases, test LLMs, test different models, test everything. So I am now testing different LLMs. So I created the exact same scenario, which is this is a scenario, this entire thing right here. I created this entire thing, but instead of using OpenAI modules, I used Claude, which is a different LLM. And I'm doing that to find which one gives me the best results. I still haven't tested different prompts and I still haven't tested different questions, but if you improve the quality of the inputs, you will obviously get better outputs. So you can test different questions in the survey to get better inputs, and then it will probably generate you better outputs. It's all about how good the inputs that you provide the AI. If the inputs are high quality, the output is also going to be high quality. So now let me just show you how it looks on Claude. Over to scenarios. I hope I saved it. This is the business audit for GPT. and this is the business audit for Claude. So let's click here. Still haven't published it yet because I'm still testing. I just finished building it right now, but you can see that it's exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Webhook, scrap to delete website, turn HTML into text, feed the text to the AI. But in this time, instead of OpenAI modules, I'm using Claude module, which is a different LLM. But it looks exactly the same thing. Instead of OpenAI, we use Claude, save it as a variable right here, business overview, this variable right here, marketing audit. The prompt is exactly the same thing because I'm now A/B testing between different LLMs. So I don't want to change the prompt. I want to keep the exact same prompt for both LLMs and see which one gives me better output. Now, obviously, you can also test different prompts to find better outputs. But in this specific case, I use the exact same prompts to find better LLMs and better output from each one. But it looks exactly the same, nothing special. Still saving everything as a variable, create document, send as an email, and that's it. And this is basically what this system looks like. So you can go ahead, if you want to and you have some technical knowledge, you can go ahead and build it yourself. If you want to try it, you can go ahead and click the link below and try it for yourself to get an audit for free. And this is pretty much it. So if you're into AI systems and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you're looking for ways to implement AI into your company, you can go ahead and get a free audit and book a free consultation with us. So we will show you exactly how AI can be implemented in your company, for what use cases, how it can help you automate the entire process, how it can help you scale, be more profitable, be a lot faster, track data for you, and basically automate the entire operations. AI can do amazing things in your company, and you can go ahead and check out my previous videos where I explain how CEOs really use AI to grow their company. I'll put the link right here. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.